we strongly oppose any unilateral attempts to advance territorial claims by renaming localities.
The United States came out in support of India over the Arunachal Pradesh issue with China. The White House, in a statement, strongly opposed China's renaming of 11 places in Arunachal Pradesh and its attempt to advance a claim over the Indian territory. The United States has recognized the territory Arunachal Pradesh for a long time as an integral part of India, and we strongly oppose any unilateral attempts to advance territorial claims by renaming localities. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said on Tuesday. And so again, this is something that we have long stood by, Jean-Pierre told reporters at a daily news conference. This statement comes after China's Ministry of Civil Affairs standardized the names of 11 places in Arunachal Pradesh, which it referred to as Zanghanan, the southern part of Tibet. China has come up with the names of 11 places in Arunachal Pradesh in Chinese characters, Tibetan and Pinyin, according to the rules on geographical names issued by the State Council, China's cabinet. India on Tuesday outrightly rejected China's move, asserting that the state is an integral part of India and assigning invented names does not alter this reality. We have seen such reports. This is not the first time China has made such an attempt. We reject this outright, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said. Arunachal Pradesh is, has been and will always be an integral and inalienable part of India. Attempts to assign invented names will not alter this reality, he said. It was the third batch of standardized geographical names for Arunachal Pradesh issued by China's Civil Affairs Ministry. The first batch of the standardized names of 6 places in Arunachal Pradesh was released in 2017, and the second batch of 15 places was issued in 2021. China's renaming of the places in Arunachal Pradesh came in the midst of the lingering eastern Ladakh border standoff that began in May 2020. Following the standoff, India bolstered its overall military preparedness along the line of actual control in the Arunachal Pradesh sector as well. India has been maintaining that its ties with China cannot be normal unless there is peace in the border areas.